You ever open an app and it just knows things? Like your weather app instantly showing today's forecast? Or your favorite food delivery app magically pulling up nearby restaurants? That's not sorcery. That's an API doing all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. So, what is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. But let's be real, that's a mouthful. In plain English, it's how two different pieces of software talk to each other. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You, the customer, are the application. The kitchen is the system that actually prepares your food. But how do your orders get from you to the kitchen? That's right, through the waiter. The waiter is the API. They take your request, deliver it to the kitchen, and bring back exactly what you asked for. Now, apply that to the digital world. When your phone's weather app asks for the temperature, it's basically saying, "Hey, API, can you ask the weather server for today's forecast?" And the API goes, "Sure thing," grabs the data, and sends it back neatly packaged for your app to display. Here's what makes APIs so powerful. Your app doesn't need to know how the weather system works. It doesn't care about what database it uses or what programming language it's written in. It just says, "Here's what I need," and the API handles the rest. This is how almost everything in tech works. When you log in with Google, that's an API. When your playlist syncs on Spotify, that's an API. When your game saves progress in the cloud, yep, API again. It's like the invisible glue of the internet. Thousands of systems, built by different people, in different languages, on different platforms, and yet they all manage to talk to each other. Because APIs make it possible. So the next time your app just knows something, remember, it's not reading your mind. It's just talking to another system politely. Through an API, quietly doing its job, connecting everything, and never asking for credit. That's what makes APIs the real MVP of the digital world.